Good morning, welcome to another episode. We are on Lake Richland Chambers for the Texas High School Bass Association Central Division Tournament 2. Connor next to me, Cole's back here somewhere. So far, one fish in the tank. Connor caught one, a couple pounds, pretty decent fish. And first spot we wanted to fish was already had someone boat sitting on it, so we had to move to our second spot. So far, it's paid off. We're sitting on the top of a bunch of grass with some stick ups you'll see behind me, and we're just gonna keep fishing those. Is that a bite? Oh. There's fish in here, we're just gonna have to work for them. A lot of boats moving around already, but I think we're gonna stick it out here for at least a little bit. And I don't know if, can you see behind me? Somewhere back here, there's a bunch of lily pads and stick ups. There's a boat sitting on it. They've been fishing over there pretty hardcore. That was the spot we actually wanted to start fishing on, but we're gonna stick it out over here, hoping that they'll move, and maybe we'll catch some more fish. So one in the boat, we just need to get 4 more, so at least we're not gonna zero out. So we're kind of off to a good start. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment. Would love to hear from you. But anyways, let's get this day going, and hopefully we end up with 5 in the tank.
Good job.
Now we need to measure that one. Oh yeah, he ain't going. He's not gonna keep. Oh yeah.
He's like 11.9, something like that. Crazy.
We dipping? Y'all want to try there first, or are we gonna leave?
I want to try over there first.
Okay. All right, we still have one fish. Missed. How many have we missed?
2.
Missed two good ones that would have kept.
And then Connor caught one, but it was short.
And then Connor caught one that was short. So we're gonna try spinner baits over here one more time, and then we're gonna move to a different spot because the wind's picked up pretty significantly, and it's kind of making it a pain in the butt to stay in our spot and fish it thoroughly. So I think it's time to move. There he is.
He's short. Wait, stop, don't lose him.
No, he might. Check it. Hi. He's a fat one.
He's keeping.
Nope, pinch his lips. Oh, don't let him fall in. Let me see it.
Okay, here. I think he'll keep. If we step on him, maybe.
He's keeping.
He's like on the line.
Look at that.
He's on the line. Keep casting him up. Yeah, he's over.
He's keeping.
He's on the line, barely. Yeah, he's keeping.
We'll have to check it on their board up there because
Shouldn't that board work though?
yeah, it's cold, but it's not the official board, so we'll have to check it. Here, let me get a tag.
Put it. They're on the other side, aren't they?
No, they're all over here.
I got one. There's some tag.
It is. Wait, that's 5 feet. Wait, how many do you?
This one might shrink. Move.
I know. I don't know. I'm kind of scared of it.
We'll check it again.
Will be a penalty if we take him up there.
The black one. No, they have a stick. We can check it. 11:35, 2 fish in the tank. One of them is right on the 14-inch mark. So we'll probably have to use the official tournament board when we get up there to measure it, because we certainly don't want to bring in an illegal fish. I think it's okay, but sometimes they shrink in the live well. So we'll just double check it and make sure. Sun is finally out, as you can see, and now we're flipping some stick ups over here, and then we're gonna go find some more boat docks. Everyone's pretty much hoarding the boat docks that are available on this lake. So we're gonna give it a shot here. Otherwise, we might have to go back across the lake to the lily pads and give that a shot. But either way, at least we're not gonna zero. We just have a couple hours left. We gotta get some fish in the live well. So that's the plan so far. Cody, you need me to drive the motor?
I think the biggest we could pull up was 13 inches.
We had a few of those
This
too.
one, we don't even know if this one's 14.
Well, they can check it up there. That one's right on the line.
I've got a board if you need to use it.
Well, I had a
Yeah.
board, but they have their own thing up there,
Yeah, I think
and they'll go by that one.
I bought one that's supposed to be like it because I had a trouble at Fork last year.
Yeah, oh, that's a tough one.
Oh yeah. I measured it.
Let me see it.
That guy twisted that thing around so many times he finally said, "Oh, it's too long." I thought he was gonna pull his head off. But you know, you get close, you gotta turn it in. Shoot.
Okay, let's go. Want me to carry it?
Yeah, you got it.
I might both have to. I think I got it pretty full water.
Boat 163 is next. They've got 3 fish from Royce City. Connor and Cole. All right. 3 fish, 3 live. Not bad. 6.83. 6.83. Nice job, guys. You're here in dinner.
Well, we just got back to the house. The official result, or I should say unofficial results, 23rd place out of 183 boats. That's pretty good. Lost 2 big fish in the water right as they got up to the boat, but that's fishing. Just frustrating that we didn't get those in the boat, because that would have placed us in a little bit better position. But either way, I'll take 23rd. Boys fished hard. Another tournament in the books. Next tournament is Lake Fork with them, so I anticipate a lot of pre-fishing time on that lake, because that lake, yeah, it's a tough one for us. So hopefully we get on some fish on Fork. We'll have to see. But anyway, stay tuned. Lots of videos coming up. Gonna focus on Fork. Hopefully we do good in that tournament. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.